Page 4, roller skate rock. Well, I'll go through the routine I use to learn a piece of music and see what I end up with. I look it over, it's about a page and a half long. Treble and bass clef signs again. 4/4 time signature, and I see quarter notes going crazy. A couple half notes and whole notes here and there, mostly quarter notes. So the rhythm shouldn't be a problem because the quarter note gets a count in 4/4 time. Now I'm going to kind of take both hands together here because the most time it's just one hand or the other that's doing anything. If it's both hands at the same time, one hand is holding while the other hand is doing something. So I'll just take, this shortens the video. Otherwise I would go through it one hand at a time, make sure I know what each hand is doing first. But we'll do it this way. In the first measure, the left hand is second finger on the F. That puts you in here. That's in C position. And in the second measure, the right hand has fourth finger on the F. That puts you, so we're in C position. And it's quarter notes. Just straight quarter notes. They're going all over the place. That's okay. And then on the third measure, the last beat, that's tied. You hang on to it for 5 counts, and then you go. So the last 2 measures of the first line again, here. 1, 3, 4, and then you go on. So forth. Top of page 5, it's just one hand, then the other. Okay, that's pretty much the song. So once I have the rhythms and the fingering all worked out, then I go back through it carefully. No hesitations. Keep it slow is fine, but no hesitations. And this one we should be able to play without looking at the keyboard. We're not moving around. We want to feel where our fingers are. It's important. Then I'll add the articulation. And here we have the phrasing of slurs. You're connecting it. And these are staccato. You know, bum, bum, bum. At the wrist. Flex at the wrist. And lift up here before I go to the next line. At the end of the first line, the C, before I go to the next line, the F, don't connect and lift up. It's like taking a breath. It's a new phrase. Top of page 5. And I'm separating each of these measures too. So it's, again, the first one. I'm lifting up here before I play that. I'm not connecting it. No, I'm separating them. It's not staccato short. It's long. I'm just lifting up right before I play it. If you're having problems with that, then connect it. Once I have an idea of the articulation, then I'll do the dynamics. F at the beginning is forte, which is loud, whatever you think loud is. And it's all melody. It's just... So play it all loud until you get over to page 5, the last 2 lines, or the third line down actually. It's soft. P is soft. Whatever you think soft is, and then the last line you're loud again. Okay. So once I've done the dynamics, then I'll think about the speed. Steady rock beat, whatever that is. Have fun with it. It's not slow, it's not fast, it's sort of a moderately fast, sort of, has to be accurate though. So what can you do accurately? my attempt right now. Later I'd play it differently, I'm sure, because I play by feel. How do I feel it? Remember the natural accents? Try and bring out the first beat of each measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Exaggerate it if you need to. But eventually you don't want to force it, you just want to feel it. It's important that you feel the natural accents. There are more than that one, but if we can just get this one to start with, get into the habit of it, then we can add the others later. Let's play this together very slowly and check that we have the right notes and rhythms. I'm not going to do louds and softs, but I will do the staccatos and slurs. So I'll give us 4 counts. Just go real slow. You should be playing the same note I'm playing when I play it. And this is after you've learned it now. Learn it first and then check it with me. 1, 2, ready, go.